Do you ever feel nervous when talking to someone new? Like you don't know what to say after "hi, don't worry." That's called small talk, and today you'll learn how to make small talk in English naturally. Like native speakers do by the end of this lesson. You'll know how to start a conversation, what to say in different situations, how to sound confident and friendly. Let's begin part 1. What is small talk? Small talk is casual conversation about simple topics like the weather, weekend work, or hobbies. It helps people feel comfortable and build connection. Think of it as light talk, not too serious, not too deep. Example: hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? Pretty good. It's a bit cold today, isn't it? That's small talk, short, friendly, and easy. Part 2. Where do we use small talk? We use small talk almost everywhere: at work, before meetings, at school, at parties or social gatherings, while waiting in line, during travel, bus, airport, train, even with neighbors or new classmates. It's your key to starting friendly connections. Part 3. How to start small talk when you meet someone who's open or short. Easy questions or comments to begin talking. Common small talk starters. Hi, how's your day going? It's a beautiful day, isn't it? How was your weekend? This line is taking forever, right? That's a nice shirt. Where did you get it? Tip: choose topics everyone can relate to: weather, weekend, movies, work, school, etc. Mini conversation. Example 1. At work. Sarah: hey, John. How's it going? John: not bad. Just busy with some reports. How about you? Sarah: same here. This week's been crazy. John: tell me about it. At least it's Friday soon. Sarah: true. Can't wait for the weekend. Analysis: friendly tone, light topic, workload, weekend, short and polite answers. Part 4. Useful vocabulary and expressions. 8 o'clock to 12 o'clock. To start a conversation: hi, I don't think we've met before. Long time no see. To respond: how are things? How's work treating you? Pretty good, thanks. Can't complain. It's been hectic, but okay. I'm hanging in there means I'm okay, just managing. To
Really?
keep it going.
That's
interesting. Oh, I know what you mean. I've heard about that too. What do you usually do on weekends? To end politely. Anyway, it was nice chatting with you. I should get going, but it was great to see you. Let's catch up again soon. Mini conversation. Example 2. At a party. Anna: hi. I don't think we've met before. I'm Anna. Mike: hey Anna, nice to meet you. I'm Mike. Anna: nice to meet you too. So, how do you know the host? Mike: oh, we went to college together. And you? Anna: we work at the same company. Mike: oh, cool. Small world. Do you like working there? Anna: yeah, it's good. The people are nice. Analysis: starts with introduction, flows naturally, uses simple, everyday English.